Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most talked about adventure bikes of the year, the 2026 Honda CRF750L. Honda has taken its dual sport legacy to a whole new level, combining rugged off-road performance with comfort and advanced technology for the modern rider. Let's explore what makes this machine a true adventure icon. Design and styling. The 2026 CRF750L carries the unmistakable DNA of Honda's CRF lineup, but with a more mature, adventure-ready character. It sports a muscular fuel tank, sharp LED headlights, and aerodynamic fairing that strikes the perfect balance between aggression and elegance. The red and white color scheme screams Honda heritage, while the redesigned frame offers improved stability and durability for long rides. Engine and performance. Powering the CRF750L is a brand new 745 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, tuned for smooth torque delivery and excellent throttle response. Whether you're cruising on highways or tackling rocky trails, this engine feels responsive and confident. Honda has also optimized the power curve for off-road adventures, giving you that instant burst of energy when you need it most. Combined with a refined 6-speed transmission and optional DCT, dual-clutch transmission, this bike ensures an effortless yet thrilling ride. Suspension and handling. Honda engineers have outdone themselves with the CRF750L's suspension setup. The bike features Showa long travel forks and a fully adjustable rear shock absorber, allowing you to handle rough terrain with ease. The new aluminum swing arm and lightweight frame make cornering feel sharp and precise, while maintaining that legendary CRF balance and control. Technology and features. Modern riders expect modern tech, and the CRF750L delivers. A full-color TFT display provides real-time ride data, while Bluetooth connectivity allows navigation and notifications. Multiple ride modes, traction control, and ABS ensure that safety and performance go hand in hand. There's even an optional quick shifter for those who crave sportier performance on open roads. Comfort and touring ability. Honda hasn't forgotten about comfort. The seat has been redesigned for long-distance support, the windscreen offers adjustable protection, and the ergonomics make it equally comfortable for both seated and standing positions. With a large fuel tank and excellent efficiency, the CRF750L is built for long hauls without fatigue. Conclusion. The 2026 Honda CRF750L is a perfect blend of power, precision, and practicality. It's not just a motorcycle, it's an adventure partner for riders who want to explore beyond boundaries. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or an off-road enthusiast, this bike promises performance and reliability that only Honda can deliver. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more in-depth reviews of the world's most exciting rides.